everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Vip99 Slot account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in slotvip99.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Slot Vip99. To log into your existing account, click on the log on button at the top right and select one of your login system from the option. First, go ahead and type in your username associated with the account followed by your password, and then you can click on the login button. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on this link right here in order to reset to a new password. Finally, click on the log on button in order to log into your Vip99 slot. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.